River at Leavittsburg. When? Until this evening. Impacts at 14.0 feet. Several homes in Meadow Rock Drive surrounded by flood waters. Flood waters south of Turner Road. Riverview Drive and Lovers Lane also inundated. Additional details, at 1:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday the stage was 12.3 feet. Forecast, the river will rise above flood stage early this morning and rise to 13.5 feet later this morning. It will then fall below flood stage this afternoon to 6.3 feet early Saturday afternoon. Flood stage to 12.5 feet. Please visit www.weather.gov/safety/flood for flood safety and preparedness information.